Hi everyone, today we have the software called Stamped.io and this is the best e-commerce reviews and loyalty software. Now, before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Alright, so right now you can see I'm currently inside its dashboard. You will be able to see on the left side of our screen we have home and customers. So of course we are going to be running an e-commerce and reviews and loyalty system, so we can add our customers in here or we can export or import them in here as well. You have filters to simply search through whatever you would like to search for specific customer or stuff like that. After that you have your analytics, so on your dashboard everything will be displayed related to everything, like for example your new customers, total revenue, referrals, referral orders, and all the details like for example total points earned and total points spent. You also have reports that will be summarizing everything that you're conducting onto the platform nicely, and currently I'm not having an activity onto the platform, so that's why it is not showing us something in here. Now, talking about loyalty, you will be having this referrals and affiliate system that you want to create. You can add customers in here, friends, and eventually what it will be doing is that it will be selecting rewards, providing discounts and bonuses. So all that will be in here. You have your points and VIPs that you can add as well. You have displayed like for example settings, branding, widgets, and much more. Talking about reviews and what people have to say about the platform Stamped.io, you can see best value and even better customer service. Probably the best customer service I've received from any company ever. Now, you can try out Stamped.io using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as bonuses. Stay tuned guys, and see you in the next video.